So in today's video we can discuss how to create a symbol using keyboard shortcut for this musical instrument. For doing this you can simply go to your computer keyboard. So you must either open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after that you can try this method. So you must, in your keyboard you must press this number lock key. That is, you have enabled the number lock now. Now you can see this the alt key on the left side of your keyboard. You must press and hold this alt key, and at the same time you can type here. So before that, this is the shortcut code, that is alt 127930. That is okay, and I'll show you 1 second. So if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock, and after that you must press this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key, and after that you can simply type here 127930. After that you can simply release your finger from this alt key. Okay, now you can see that we have created this symbol in your computer keyboard. For more video updates, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.